Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Clinical Dentistry Hub. So today I am with Dr. Sarfaraz sir, who is the senior lecturer in our college. He has a very amazing instrument with him. He will unbox it and he will tell you how to use it, what are its category. So please watch the full video.
Laser and what is the part of laser and how to use laser in dentistry. So this is the box of laser and this is the eye protection for laser to the patient, and this is the main part of laser. This is the laser machine. And this is the fiber. This is the cannula guided for the laser machine, and this is the monitor, battery for laser. This is the charging, and after charging you can use without electricity. This is two glasses for patient and operator eye protection. This is the pedal for using laser machine, pedal operated laser, and different type of tapes. This is the laser handle, and this is the fiber cutting instrument, and this one is also a fiber cutting instrument. And how to install laser? First of all, see, and this is the battery which is put insert in the laser machine. This one is fiber is inserted from this area, and this one is inserted in laser machine like this, and this is the fiber. After that, the cannula, guided cannula, this is the guided cannula. This is the paddle which kept on the floor for laser. This is connected, automatically connected by Bluetooth, and this is the button for starting the laser. This is the laser. This is the laser. It laser used for the dental and derma both. For dental uses, this is the using for different procedure like endodontic, canal sterilization, desensitization, cavity sterilization, pulp capping, and periodontic uses like gingivitis, pocket sterilization, gingivectomy, gingival contouring, hyperplastic gingiva, and laser assisted new attachment procedure, pericornitis, gingival polyp, and periapical lesion. This is the uses, and which is for different setting. For surgery, frenectomy, vestibuloplasty, operculectomy, fibroma, mucocele, abscess, epulis, and incision. And next, for surgeries, excision, biopsy, OSMF, and for implant, implant field sterilization, implant uncover, peri-implantitis. For aesthetic purpose, depigmentation, bleaching, and crown lengthening. For advanced application of laser like lichen planus, leukoplakia, coagulation, and sinus tract, gingival troughing, coagulation after extraction by the laser, and new contact mode like aphthous ulcer, herpetic lesion, TMJ pain, trismus facial pain, burning mouth syndrome, trauma, post-operative swelling, and angular cheilitis. This tip is used for the surgery. And basically used for the intraoral procedure, and this tip is used for the, and this is the different tips. This tip used for the burning mouth syndrome, TMJ pain, trismus pain, and trauma pain. And this tip is also used for the pain management, extra oral pain management like TMJ pain and back pain, knee pain. All these pain are also treated by the laser. And this tip is used for the bleaching. This tip is used for the bleaching purpose. Okay. Bleaching of teeth. And for derma uses melanosis, angiomas, wart removal, ear piercing, telangiectasis, keratosis, and rejuvenation. These are the use for the derma purpose.
This was all about how to use lasers, what are its part, how to use it, where to use it, what are its indication. Besides, if you see that if you are using a laser for dental part, other type of lasers use is also mentioned, which Dr. Sarfaraz sir has already shown what are its uses. So if you have liked this video, please like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problem, you can just put it down in the comment section. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.